What happens to your body on a high protein diet? Many people are talking about the high protein diet today. Fitness experts recommend it, doctors discuss it, and millions of people are increasing their protein intake in hopes of losing weight and improving their health. But what actually happens inside your body when you start eating more protein? Before we continue, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Here we explain how food affects your body, how to improve your health, and how simple nutrition changes can transform the way your body works. Protein is one of the three main macronutrients that the human body needs to function properly. The other two are carbohydrates and fats. Unlike carbohydrates, which mainly provide quick energy, and fats, which serve as long-term energy storage, protein has a unique role in the body. Protein is primarily responsible for building and repairing tissues. Every cell in your body contains protein. Your muscles, skin, organs, enzymes, and even many hormones are made from protein molecules. When you eat protein-rich foods, your digestive system breaks the protein down into smaller units called amino acids. These amino acids are then absorbed into the bloodstream and used by the body to repair damaged tissues, build new muscle fibers, produce enzymes, and support many biological processes. One of the reasons the high-protein diet has become so popular is its strong effect on satiety, which means how full you feel after eating. Protein is known to increase feelings of fullness more than carbohydrates or fats. When you eat a meal rich in protein, your body releases hormones that signal the brain that you are satisfied. These hormones help reduce appetite and may naturally decrease the number of calories you consume during the day. This is one of the reasons many people find it easier to lose weight when they increase their protein intake. Another interesting effect of protein involves metabolism. Digesting protein requires more energy compared to digesting carbohydrates or fats. This process is known as the thermic effect of food. Because of this effect, the body burns slightly more calories when digesting protein. Although the difference is not extremely large, over time it can contribute to improved energy balance. Protein also plays a critical role in maintaining muscle mass. When people lose weight, they often lose both fat and muscle tissue. However, a diet that contains adequate protein helps preserve lean muscle mass while the body burns fat for energy. Maintaining muscle mass is important because muscle tissue helps regulate metabolism. The more muscle the body maintains, the more energy it uses throughout the day. This is why many nutrition experts recommend a higher protein intake for individuals trying to reduce body fat while maintaining strength and energy. Protein may also help stabilize blood sugar levels. Meals that contain protein are digested more slowly compared to meals high in refined carbohydrates. This slower digestion can help prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are associated with improved energy levels and reduced cravings for sugary foods. However, not all protein sources are the same. Some foods provide high-quality protein along with essential nutrients, while others may contain excessive amounts of unhealthy fats or additives. In the next part, we will explore the best high-protein foods that support health, metabolism, and muscle maintenance, and why certain protein sources are more beneficial than others. You might be surprised that some of the most powerful protein foods are simple foods that many people already eat every day. The best high-protein foods for your body. If protein plays such an important role in the body, the next logical question is simple. What are the best foods to include in a high-protein diet? Not all protein sources are equal. Some provide high-quality protein along with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, while others may contain excessive sodium, additives, or unhealthy fats that can negatively affect overall health. One of the most well-known sources of protein is eggs. Eggs are often considered one of the most complete protein foods available. They contain all essential amino acids that the body needs but cannot produce on its own. In addition to protein, eggs provide nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which support brain health and metabolism. Another excellent protein source is fish, especially fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish provide high-quality protein along with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats help reduce inflammation in the body and support heart health. Including fish in the diet several times per week can help improve overall nutritional balance. Chicken and turkey are also popular protein foods. Lean poultry provides a large amount of protein with relatively low levels of fat, making it a common choice for people trying to maintain muscle mass or reduce body fat. When prepared without excessive frying or processed sauces, poultry can be part of a balanced and healthy diet. For those who prefer plant-based foods, there are also many excellent protein options. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and beans provide both protein and fiber. The combination of protein and fiber helps improve satiety and supports digestive health. Fiber also helps stabilize blood sugar levels and promotes healthy gut bacteria. Another powerful plant-based protein source is nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds contain protein along with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Because nuts are energy-dense, they are best consumed in moderate portions, but they can provide valuable nutrients that support overall health. Greek yogurt is another protein-rich food that has gained popularity in recent years. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt contains significantly more protein and often fewer carbohydrates. It also provides beneficial bacteria that support gut health. When choosing yogurt, it is best to select plain varieties without large amounts of added sugar. Another increasingly popular protein source is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese contains a protein called casein, which digests more slowly than many other types of protein. Because of this slow digestion, cottage cheese can help maintain feelings of fullness for longer periods of time. Many people choose to include it as a snack or as part of a balanced meal. Plant-based diets have also introduced new protein options such as tofu and tempeh. These foods are made from soybeans and contain significant amounts of protein along with important minerals such as iron and calcium. When prepared properly, they can be nutritious additions to a balanced diet. However, even though protein is extremely important, more protein does not always mean better health. A diet that focuses only on protein while ignoring other nutrients may lead to imbalances. The body still requires carbohydrates for energy, healthy fats for hormone production, and vitamins and minerals for countless biological processes. Balance remains essential. In the next part, we will explore the most common mistakes people make when following a high-protein diet and how to structure protein intake in a way that supports both health and long-term sustainability. Common mistakes on a high-protein diet. While a high-protein diet can offer many benefits, it is important to understand that simply eating more protein does not automatically lead to better health or faster weight loss. Like any nutrition strategy, balance and proper implementation are essential. One of the most common mistakes people make is focusing only on protein, while ignoring other nutrients. The human body requires a variety of nutrients to function properly. Carbohydrates provide energy for the brain and muscles, while healthy fats support hormone production, brain function, and cellular health. When people eliminate carbohydrates completely and rely almost entirely on protein, they may experience fatigue, reduced energy levels, and difficulty maintaining the diet long term. Another common mistake is choosing poor quality protein sources. Highly processed meats such as sausages, bacon, and certain deli meats may contain protein, but they often also contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. Regularly consuming these types of foods can increase inflammation and negatively affect heart health. A healthier approach is to focus on whole food protein sources such as eggs, fish, poultry, legumes, yogurt, and nuts. Another issue some people encounter on a high-protein diet is insufficient fiber intake. Many protein-rich foods contain little or no fiber. When vegetables, fruits, and whole grains are reduced too much, the digestive system may receive less fiber than it needs. Fiber plays an important role in supporting gut health, digestion, and stable blood sugar levels. Without enough fiber, some people may experience digestive discomfort or changes in bowel habits. Hydration is another factor that is often overlooked. When protein intake increases, the body requires sufficient water to process the byproducts of protein metabolism. Drinking adequate amounts of water helps support kidney function and overall metabolic processes. Physical activity also plays an important role in how the body uses protein. Protein supports muscle maintenance and repair, but the benefits are much greater when combined with regular movement. Strength training, resistance exercises, and even moderate physical activity can help the body use protein more efficiently to build and maintain muscle tissue. Another important concept is portion balance. Some people assume that if protein is beneficial, then consuming extremely large amounts will produce faster results. However, the body can only utilize a certain amount of protein effectively at one time. Excess protein may simply be used as energy or stored. For most people, distributing protein intake evenly across meals may be more beneficial than consuming a very large amount in a single meal. A balanced, high-protein diet typically includes protein alongside vegetables, whole foods, healthy fats, and moderate carbohydrates. This balanced approach helps support metabolism, digestion, and overall health. When combined with consistent physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management, a well-structured high-protein diet can support muscle maintenance, weight management, and long-term health. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. On this channel, we explore how nutrition and science can help you improve your health naturally. Small improvements in daily habits can lead to meaningful long-term changes in the way the body functions, and sometimes the simplest adjustments in diet can make the biggest difference.